Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to find the surface area of a cube. The cube is a 3D object, as you can see, and the surface area is the outside layer of a 3D figure. So, not the inside, but just the outside faces, as you can see here. So, let's start off. Here we got an example cube, and you can see that the sides are 3 feet. Because it's a cube, every side length is the same. So we can use this simple formula right here. Area equals length times width. Because we know the length and the width should be the same because it's a cube. It's 3 times 3. So area equals 9 squared. So now we know this. We know the faces are 9 feet squared. And because it's a cube, let's say we calculated the front of this one. Let's write it right here. And because it's a cube, they are all the same. So they're all the same area. So let's just write it down so we can use it to help us even further. Like this. Okay, now we have to find the surface area of the cube. So, as we know, every face of the cube has the same area size. And because it has the same area size, it is very easy to do. So we can do it the easy way and the formula way. First we're gonna do it just very simple. We just do you have to find the face of one, you have to find the area of one face and multiply by 6. So the area of one face is 9 times 6 equals 54 squared. So this will be your surface area. But now let's do the formula way. Formula way is a bit different, it's a bit harder, but it's pretty much the same. So surface area equals 6 times the side length 2 squared. So if you do this, you will also get exactly the surface area. So this is also 54 squared. You can do this with any type of cube, a larger cube, a smaller cube. As long as it's just a cube and it has the same side length, the same area size, you can always use this. You can use the formula type, or you can just multiply the area size by 6. You will always get the same answer, as you can see. And you can use this, you can draw this to help you even further to understand how cubes really work. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys understood. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you got any questions, you can always ask them in the comments. Have a nice evening.